Surrealism emerged in the early 20th century as a significant literary and artistic movement that sought to explore realities beyond ordinary logic and rational thought. The term was popularized by the French writer André Breton, whose Surrealist Manifesto, 1924, defined surrealism as a method of expressing the functioning of the human mind free from the control of reason. Influenced by the psychological theories of Sigmund Freud, surrealists believe that dreams, unconscious desires, and irrational impulses reveal deeper truths about human existence. In literature, surrealism often produces strange and illogical narratives, unexpected imagery, and dreamlike atmospheres. Writers attempt to break away from traditional realism and instead depict inner psychological experiences through fantasy, symbolism, and unusual juxtapositions. Although Franz Kafka wrote before surrealism was formally defined, many of his works exhibit surrealistic qualities. His short story The Bucket Rider is a clear example of how ordinary reality blends with bizarre fantasy, creating a narrative that resembles the irrational logic of dreams. The Bucket Rider is a short story by Franz Kafka in which a desperate narrator, suffering from extreme cold and poverty, rides an empty coal bucket through the air to ask a coal dealer for fuel. The situation is highly unrealistic. Instead of walking, the narrator floats on the bucket like a flying vehicle. The coal dealer's wife eventually drives him away, and the narrator drifts into the icy mountains. Although the story begins with a realistic problem, lack of coal in winter, it quickly moves into an illogical and dreamlike narrative. The boundary between reality and fantasy disappears, creating a surreal atmosphere. The narrator's journey on a bucket, his hovering in the air, and his final disappearance into the mountains reflect a world governed more by imagination and psychological experience than by physical reality. For this reason, the story can be interpreted through the lens of surrealism. Automatic writing is an important technique associated with surrealism. It refers to a form of writing in which the author allows thoughts and images to flow freely without conscious control or logical organization. Surrealists believed this process could reveal the unconscious mind. Although Kafka did not consciously practice surrealist automatic writing, his narrative style in The Bucket Rider resembles a spontaneous stream of imagination. The story progresses rapidly from one strange image to another without logical explanation. For example, the narrator suddenly declares that his empty coal bucket has become light enough to carry him through the air. Open quote, "My bucket has the advantage of being very light, thanks to its emptiness." Close quote, this unusual statement immediately transforms the bucket from a household object into a magical vehicle. The narrative continues to flow freely as the narrator floats toward the coal dealer's house. The quick transitions and imaginative exaggerations suggest a spontaneous creative process similar to the surrealist idea of automatic expression. Surrealist literature often presents strange, disturbing, or shocking situations that challenge ordinary logic. These unusual scenes create a sense of absurdity and highlight the emotional or psychological reality of the characters. In The Bucket Rider, the central image itself is strange and shocking, a man riding an empty bucket through the air to search for coal. This bizarre action reflects the narrator's extreme desperation and poverty. The situation becomes even more unsettling when the coal dealer's wife refuses his request and waves him away like a fly. The exaggerated poverty and humiliation intensify the surreal effect. The narrator's suffering is so extreme that reality appears distorted. His strange journey becomes a symbolic representation of social isolation and despair. The surreal imagery therefore exposes the harshness of human existence in an indirect and shocking way. Another important feature of surrealism is the juxtaposition of contrasting or unrelated images. Surrealist writers frequently place opposing ideas together to create tension and reveal hidden meanings. In The Bucket Rider, Kafka contrasts several opposing elements. Reality and fantasy. The story begins with a realistic problem, cold weather and lack of coal, but suddenly shifts into fantasy when the narrator flies on the bucket. Poverty and imagination. The narrator is extremely poor, yet his imagination transforms an empty bucket into a vehicle capable of flight. Hope and rejection. The narrator hopes the coal dealer will help him, but the coal dealer's wife harshly rejects him and drives him away. These contrasts emphasize the gap between human desire and social reality. The surreal combination of realistic hardship and impossible fantasy highlights the emotional suffering of the narrator. Surrealist literature frequently resembles dreams, where events occur without logical explanation and the boundaries of reality are blurred. Dreams often reflect hidden emotions or psychological conflicts. The narrative structure of the bucket rider strongly resembles a dream. The narrator effortlessly rises into the air, floats toward the coal dealer's shop, and hovers outside the window. None of these events follow normal physical laws, yet they are described as if they were natural. The story's ending also resembles the conclusion of a dream. After being rejected, the narrator drifts away toward the ice mountains of the horizon. This mysterious disappearance creates a sense of unreality, suggesting that the entire journey may represent a psychological escape from suffering rather than a literal event. Kafka's surreal narrative is strengthened through powerful symbolic imagery. The bucket. The empty bucket symbolizes poverty and deprivation. Its emptiness reflects the narrator's lack of resources and social support. Coal. Coal represents warmth, survival, and basic human necessity. The narrator's desperate search for coal highlights the struggle for survival in a harsh world. Winter. The severe winter symbolizes emotional coldness and social indifference. Society, like the winter environment, offers no warmth to the suffering individual. Flight. The narrator's flight on the bucket symbolizes both escape and isolation. While it allows him to rise above the ground, it also separates him from society, ultimately carrying him away from human contact. These symbolic elements create a strong surreal atmosphere by transforming ordinary objects into meaningful psychological images. Many critics view Kafka's fiction as a precursor to surrealism and absurdism because of its strange imagery and irrational narrative structures. Although Kafka was not formally part of the surrealist movement led by André Breton, his works share similar qualities with surrealist art. Critics often argue that Kafka's surreal narratives reflect the alienation and anxiety of modern life. His unusual imagery and illogical situations represent the inner psychological struggles of individuals living in an impersonal and oppressive society. The bucket rider therefore illustrates how modernist writers experimented with new narrative forms to express complex emotional and existential experiences. In conclusion, The Bucket Rider by Franz Kafka demonstrates many characteristics associated with surrealism. The story blends reality with fantasy, presents strange and shocking situations, and creates a dream-like atmosphere that reflects the narrator's psychological distress. Through techniques resembling automatic writing, contrasting imagery, and powerful symbolism, Kafka transforms a simple story about poverty into a surreal exploration of human isolation and desperation. Although Kafka wrote before surrealism became a formal movement, The Bucket Rider clearly illustrates the surrealistic tendency of 20th century literature to move beyond realism and explore the deeper, irrational dimensions of human experience. As a result, the story remains an important example of modern literary experimentation and a powerful representation of surreal imagination.